This tutorial is for the upcomers, beginners in FL Studio and CUBASE 5. Yes, I'm using CUBASE 5 to do this tutorial of how to pitch the auto-tune keys for it to correspond to the perfect key when you use auto-tune in your voice. Okay, you do your recording, you want to harmonize it, you have to put auto-tune and perfect the sound. So now this is the vocal that I've recorded. This one is the lead vocal, this one is the lead vocal, this is the backup harmonizer backup one, and this is the left, and this one is the bass on the left, and this one is the bass on the right. So let me play it up. So let me just teach you how to auto-tune your vocal. So let me play it up. Yeah, it's auto-tune now. Yeah, this vocal is on auto-tune. So let me off the backups and put it without no auto-tune. Then I will show you the difference and how to put auto-tune and tune it to look very nice. So let me get into the program. Okay, it's auto-tune. So this is the auto-tune which I put. The key is in C and the scale is major, and you have the rate speed in, put it on fast, and the scale detune is 447.2 Hz. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to bypass the auto-tune to sound naturally without no auto-tune. So then I'll put it on with the auto-tune. So let me off the beats and let me play the vocal, you know. Let me off it and play it without no auto-tune. So let's hear it right now. Let's hear it. Yes, hear it. Yes, hear it. So it's coming up. It's coming up. No auto-tune. No auto-tune.
Yeah.
This is the raw vocal without no auto-tune. Yeah.
Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are
near
near this night. Near this night. Near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night. Near this night. Hey.
So this is without no auto-tune. So let me on the auto-tune and you hear the difference, and I will show you how to tune the vocal, you know what I'm saying. So let me play it with auto-tune.
Yeah. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night. Near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this night. Near this night. Near this night. Hey.
So now you come to viral audio. So when you come to viral audio, these are the wave signal charts that you can move up and down, you know. So let me experiment with
Yeah.
See it? That is the place you have to be adjusting the vocal if the vocal is not sounding well with the auto-tune. So I have to put it on the fourth back. You know, this is the vocal. Let me hit play.
Baby girl, now you are near this night. Baby girl, now you are near this.
Need, for instance, now if this need is not going fine, you adjust tune it. You tune it, you know. That's why you tune it. For instance, this is the vocal you want to tune. You put it up or down. Let me see it. Let's play it for you, but it's not the right position now. Well, it sounds good, but this position. This other side, you fine tune it. The wave signal will be bringing up, bringing down. You see it? It's making sound. You see it? It's not. This side is not good. Yeah. Do you like the sound until you see the perfect side? Let me play it.
I need this night.
Still sounding good, yeah. Still sounding good. Anyway, these are the places you adjust the pitch, but all the whole pitch sound great, sound good, you know. So now, well, the tutorial has come to an end, but you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teckpro, and more videos tutorial will be dropping very soon. And when I come next and I see you, bye. Yeah.
Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night. Need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Baby girl, now you I need this night. Need this night.